Hello everyone, my name is Supermom Pooja and today I'm at Dollar Tree store and let's explore with me what they have here for garden supplies. So as you can see outside the store they have these seed starter pots. These are in plastic and others are clay pot. So these are in two different size. The big one clay pots are 2 for $1 and the small one is 3 for $1. The plastic one you will get 6 for $1. And these are the tags which we use when we start any seeds. These are the vegetable and flower seeds, so if you want to buy some seeds you can buy from here. And other gardening tools, gloves, solar light, some decor. They have potting mix, different kinds of other seeds for flowers and vegetables. So guys, if you are planning to buy in a big quantity, I'll suggest you to go online and order online, and you can pick your order from your nearest Dollar Tree. If you are a complete beginner and you want to start your garden from seed, I'll suggest you to buy items from Dollar Tree like seed starter pots and other tools because it's worth buying here compared to other stores. They also have beautiful garden decors and if you are like creative enough, they have lots of variety of DIY project items. These are some fairy garden decors, so you can use to make your own fairy garden. These are the DIY project flowers, sponge, rings, and these are the planters and the pots. They also have watering can, knee pad, tomato cage, stacks, thermometer, clippers, scissors, and some other decors. They also have succulent pots and the clips which support tomato plants and other plants. So all these items they are bringing here, and the seed starter items you will get from January to March. So plan ahead and start your garden. So I picked these items from the Dollar Tree, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.